You can screen record using OBS Studio. For screen recording, first you have to select the source. In order to select a source, right-click on the source panel. Here, select Display Capture. Here you can give name for your source. Once you are done with it, click on OK. Here you can see the area of your screen that will be recorded. Click on Display to select the display that you want to record. If you have multiple monitors, it will show up here. Now click on OK. On the right hand side, you will see the options like Start Streaming, Start Recording, Studio Mode, etc. So we will not jump into Start Recording now. We have to make few adjustments on the settings. For that, let's click on Settings. So now we are in the General Settings. Here we don't have much to change. If you want to change something, just go through it. It is better that you don't change anything here. That is the stream settings that we won't go now. Click on Output, and on Output mode, change symbol to Advanced. Here, select Recording. So make sure that the type is set as Standard. The next is Recording Path. It is the path where your recorded video will be saved. If you want to change that, just click on Browse and you can choose the preferred location that you want to save your video. Once you are done with it, click on Select Folder. So the next one is Recording Format, which is by default MKV. You have to make sure that it is selected as MP4. Once you are done with it, go to Videos. Here you can see the base resolution. It is the resolution of your screen which will be captured when you start recording. And you can also see the output resolution, which is the resolution of the output video. Click on Apply. And here you can click on Start Recording. Now you can see the Start Recording option has changed to Stop Recording, which means you have started the recording. So that's how you can record your screen using OBS Studio. That's it for this video. If you want us to cover something next, let us know in the comments. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching.